Hello and welcome back to Primal Living's YouTube channel and welcome to a brand new recipe. Today's creamy and cheesy Tuscan recipe is beautifully rich, and thanks to the cream, the Parmesan cheese and the sun-dried tomato, it also tastes incredibly indulgent too. This recipe is low carb, sugar-free, healthy and both quick and easy to make at home. So without further ado, let me show you how to make it.
Begin by oiling a pan and bring it to medium heat. Season 2 sliced chicken breasts with a little pepper and add them to the pan. You'll then need to cook them for roughly 4 to 5 minutes before turning them over and cooking them once more. The goal is to cook your chicken breasts until they've browned while avoiding overcooking them. Once done, remove them from the pan and set aside. Next, add 1 diced onion to the pan and stir until soft and golden. After a few minutes, add 4 diced garlic cloves to the pan and stir for another minute. Pour 100 milliliters worth of chicken stock to the pan and mix it thoroughly with the onion and garlic. Following that, add 90 grams of organic double cream and mix well for a few seconds. Add 60 grams of organic grated Parmesan cheese and stir until the cheese has melted. This may take a good minute or so. Next, add the remaining ingredients: 100 grams of sun-dried tomatoes, 1 teaspoon of mixed herbs, and a little bit of sea salt. Stir everything together to fully combine the flavours. And finally, add 4 handfuls of spinach to the pan. I chose to do this in half by adding 2 handfuls first, stirring and then adding the remaining 2 handfuls. This just makes things a little less messy. Once the spinach has wilted, add the chicken breast back into the pan and cover with the sauce. And voila, a delicious dish in under 30 minutes. If you love this recipe, then make sure you also check out our low carb chicken satay recipe with a super easy homemade sweet chili sauce. As always, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for weekly videos. Enjoy!